What's up? Welcome to my channel. Hope you all are fine. I think I lost my sound again because of the bad climate here. So I'm not going to talk too much today. We can directly start our topic. That is, today I'm going to prepare a simple veg dish. That's the one ingredient dish. You only need an ingredient, that is okra. Do you know okra? Lady's finger. Yeah, that's only. That is a simple dish for chapati. Okra fry, bhindi bhaji. In Hindi, call it bhindi bhaji. In Malayalam, vendakya thoran. I don't know if thoran or what, but it's very tasty. It's a good combination with chapati. It's only we need little bit oil, that is not coconut oil. Don't use coconut oil. That coconut oil may change the entire taste of this dish. We only use the sunflower oil. Then we need cumin seeds, and that jeera, turmeric powder, red chili powder and salt. Then main ingredient okra, a lady's finger, bhindi. So we can let's start the preparation. Let's see how I'm going to make this recipe. Okay, simple recipe. Okay, come. Take a pan, pour a little bit oil in it. Once it heated, we can add cumin seeds, that is jeera. Once it cracked, we can add red chili powder, turmeric powder and salt. Along with this, we can add okra, that is lady's finger. Mix this all ingredients together. Stir it continuously. Don't pour water in it. Little shallow fry in this stage. Don't forget to stir in between. Look, our yummy bhindi bhaji is ready. See how simple it is, no? I know you are going to love this recipe if you try this once. Okay, then so today this much only. If you haven't subscribed my channel, please do it and press the bell icon. Then only you can get the notification when I upload a new video. Okay, see you in the next video. Bye bye. Keep smiling.